Eileen Mangubat. I'm the publisher of Cebu Daily News. Now, the typewriter you see under glass is my first working instrument. It's a royal typewriter, and I have very fond memories of it because it was a very faithful instrument. The keys were very soft. So, unlike today where you silently tap on the keyboard, when you're writing, you can hear the clack of the keys, and it will synchronize. If I'm in a real good writing mood, it will synchronize with the flow of my thoughts. And because you don't have automatic rewrite, and you always strive for having clean copy, I would rip out sheet after sheet if they had too many errors. Today with a computer, you can automatically have beautiful looking copy on the paper, just print it out in one go and make constant revisions. But with a typewriter, if you have too many errors, you can't just use wipeout. You virtually have to start all over again. So it was, as a writer, it was a good discipline for me because I didn't want to rip out too many sheets of paper to keep rewriting, and it forced you to be very deliberate about the words you chose when you're writing. And each time you'd have to change a ribbon, which you don't do with a computer. Well, you do it with a printer. You would do it yourself. You wouldn't call in an IT person. You would just open the panel, take out the ribbons, and end up with smudged fingers. But that is part of your love affair with your work instrument of choice. And that royal typewriter, small, compact, very, very smooth, was an efficient working machine.